Ever wondered how to optimize your website for search engines? Welcome to the captivating universe of search engine optimization, or SEO, as it's more commonly known. SEO is a powerful tool, a veritable game changer that can significantly amplify your website's visibility and, in turn, drive a substantial boost in traffic. Think of SEO as the secret sauce that makes your website more appetizing to search engines. It's the difference between being a needle in the digital haystack and being the shining beacon that stands out. In the upcoming scenes, we'll be breaking down this vast topic into digestible parts. We'll explore the importance of keywords, delve into the nitty-gritty of on-page and off-page SEO, and finally, we'll take a deep dive into the technical aspects of SEO. These steps, when implemented correctly, can be the key to unlocking the true potential of your website. So are you ready to dive into the world of SEO? Let's get started. The first step to SEO optimization is understanding keywords. Think of keywords as the bridge that connects your content with your audience. They are the words or phrases that users type into search engines when they're looking for something. If you've chosen the right keywords, these users will find their way to your website. Now, you may be wondering, why are keywords so important in SEO? Well, keywords help search engines understand what your content is about. They're like tags that label and categorize your content, making it easier for search engines to find and rank. When you use keywords effectively, you're essentially telling search engines, hey, this is what my content is about, and it's exactly what this user is looking for. So, you see, keywords are the signposts that guide search engines to your content. But how do you go about finding these magical words or phrases? Welcome to the world of keyword research. This involves using tools and techniques to discover what your target audience is actually searching for. You want to find the sweet spot, keywords that are popular enough to attract a good amount of traffic, but not so competitive that you're drowned out by the crowd. Keyword research isn't just about finding the most popular terms, it's about understanding your audience and their needs. It's about finding the language your audience uses and mirroring that in your content. Next, you have to select the right keywords for your website. This isn't a random process. You need to consider factors like search volume, competition, and relevance to your content. It's a bit like a balancing act. You want keywords that have high search volume, low competition, and high relevance. The key here is to be strategic. Don't just stuff your content with keywords. Use them naturally and meaningfully. Remember, you're not just writing for search engines, you're writing for people. And people want content that's valuable, not content that's stuffed with keywords. So there you have it. Keywords are the bridge that connects your content to your audience. They're the signposts that guide search engines to your content. And they're the foundation upon which successful SEO is built. Remember, choosing the right keywords is the cornerstone of successful SEO. Scene script. Next, let's talk about on-page SEO. On-page SEO is like the backbone of your website's visibility to search engines. It's all about enhancing web pages to improve a site's search engine rankings and earn organic traffic. And in addition to publishing relevant, high-quality content, on-page SEO includes optimizing your headlines, HTML tags, title, meta, and header, and images. It also means ensuring your website has a high level of expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Let's dive a little deeper. Title tags are the first point of interaction users have with your website on the search engine results page. They are the headlines that appear in search results and are highly critical to your click-through rate. Ideally, your title tag should be compelling, include your target keyword, and be no longer than 60 characters. Next up, meta descriptions. A meta description is a brief summary of a page's content. It's like a sneak peek that lets users know what to expect when they click on your link. While meta descriptions don't directly impact search rankings, they can significantly influence click-through rates. So make sure they are enticing, informative, and include your target keyword. Then we have header tags. These break your content into readable and easy-to-digest sections. They're essential for user experience, but they also help search engines understand your content better. So make sure you use them strategically and include your keywords where it makes sense. And let's not forget about content. High-quality, relevant content is the cornerstone of on-page SEO. It's not just about stuffing keywords into your text, it's about creating valuable content that resonates with your audience, answers their queries, and keeps them coming back for more. Lastly, let's talk about expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, often abbreviated as EAT. It's a framework that Google raters use to assess content creators, web pages, and websites as a whole. Establishing a high level of EAT can help your site stand out in search engine results and earn more organic traffic. So make sure your website is fully optimized with on-page SEO. Now let's move on to off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is just as it sounds. It's all the things you do outside of your own website to impact your rankings in search engine results pages, or CRPs. It's essentially about improving perception of your site in the eyes of search engines and users alike. One of the key aspects of off-page SEO is backlinks. These are links from other websites that point back to your site. Think of each backlink as a vote of confidence in your site's content. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the more search engines trust your site. But remember, it's not just about quantity. The quality and relevance of the links matter too. A backlink from a well-known, authoritative site in your industry can do wonders for your SEO. Next up, we have social signals. These are likes, shares, and interactions on social media that indicate your website's popularity and relevance. It's a bit of a gray area in SEO, as search engines don't officially count them as ranking factors. However, there's no denying that a strong social media presence can drive traffic to your site and increase your online visibility, which indirectly boosts your SEO. Lastly, let's talk about online reputation. This is about how your brand appears in online discussions, reviews, and news. Positive mentions of your brand can help improve your site's credibility, while negative ones can harm it. Engaging with your audience, providing excellent customer service, and managing your online reviews can all contribute to a stronger online reputation. Off-page SEO might seem a little out of your control, especially compared to on-page SEO, but it's a crucial part of the SEO puzzle. You could have the most well-optimized site in the world, but without a strong off-page SEO strategy, you might still struggle to rank highly in search results. In essence, off-page SEO is about building relationships and reputation online. It helps search engines see your website not just as a collection of keywords and content, but as a trusted source of information. So start networking, get social, and focus on building a strong, positive online presence. Off-page SEO helps search engines see that your website is a trusted source of information. Finally, we'll discuss technical SEO. Now, technical SEO might sound a bit intimidating, especially if you're new to the game, but don't worry. It's essentially about making sure your website is well-structured, speedy, and user-friendly. Firstly, let's talk about website speed. In this fast-paced digital age, nobody likes to wait. If your website takes too long to load, users might just click away and head to your competitor's site. Speed is not just about user experience, though. Search engines, too, favor faster websites, so make sure your site loads swiftly. Compress your images, minify your code, leverage browser caching, do all it takes to keep your site zippy and zappy. Next up, we have mobile friendliness. With more than half of global web traffic coming from mobile devices, it's imperative that your website is mobile friendly. Search engines like Google have even started to prioritize mobile-first indexing. This means they'll look at your mobile site first when deciding how to rank your site. So, ensure your website is responsive, which means it adapts to fit any screen size, be it a smartphone, tablet, or desktop. Lastly, let's delve into site architecture. Think of your website as a house. Just as a house needs a well-planned architecture to be functional and attractive, your website needs a good structure to be user-friendly and search engine-friendly. A well-structured site helps search engines understand and index your content better. It also makes navigation easier for users, helping them find what they're looking for quickly and effortlessly. So, use clear and logical URL structures, create a sitemap, and ensure your important pages are not more than 3 clicks away from the home page. Technical SEO is like the backbone of your website. It might not be visible to the users, but it's crucial for the overall performance and success of your site. It's a bit like the plumbing and wiring in a house. You might not see it, but you definitely notice if it wasn't working properly. With technical SEO, your website can run smoothly and provide a great user experience. So, we've covered a lot of ground today about SEO. Let's take a quick jog down memory lane. We started with understanding keywords, those critical building blocks that help search engines connect users to your website. Remember, it's not just about stuffing your site with popular keywords, but about finding those that align with your content and your audience's search intent. Then we delved into on-page SEO, the process of optimizing individual web pages for higher rankings. We talked about content quality, meta tags, URL structure, and more. Moving on, we explored off-page SEO, where we discussed the importance of backlinks, social signals, and local SEO. Finally, we touched on technical SEO. We emphasized the need for your website to be fast, mobile-friendly, and secure. Remember, SEO is a long-term strategy, but with consistency and effort, you'll see great results. Start optimizing your website today.